Who makes the best holiday drink between Puerto Rican coquito and Jamaican rum cream? With everyone else getting X'd out, we only have two left. Jamaican rum cream. This is shipped directly from Jamaica. It's one of the hardest things I ever had to get my hands on. Shout out to Smith's Rum. We got it. It's here. It's time. 17% for some rum cream is kind of crazy, but it smells delightful. That's good. The other ones was very thick. This has a very smooth finish. Even though it's 17%, the alcohol is not strong at all. It tastes like somebody mixed rum and vanilla perfectly. Pair well with like some coffee. Overall, this is delectable. A 9.3 out of 10. Once again, the one and only Coquito Momito. That cinnamon smell, always gonna do it. Yeah, I just noticed all this cinnamon on the bottom. That's lit. I'm always surprised when I taste coquito. It's so good. Ooh. It's like a grandma choosing between which grandkid she likes better. It's a very hard and difficult decision. I want to pick between them. I love both of them. My heart is telling me that it's a tie. But I think at this exact moment in time in history, at this exact location, I think I will go with the rum cream. I'll give the coquito a 9.2999999.